I am Senior Airman Lloyd, and today we are going to be going over Mattermost account creation and software. If you didn't know, Mattermost is an online bulletin board, file sharing, and group message solution that can be used on your computer or personal smartphone. To first begin with account creation, you're going to want to take your smartphone and install Google Authenticator. It is on both iPhone and Android. Once you have that installed, open up Google Chrome, as Internet Explorer has connectivity issues with the Mattermost website. Once Google Chrome opens, type in the address https://chat.collab.cdl.af.mil and hit enter. Once you get to the welcoming splash page, you're going to want to go to Don't Have an Account, Create One Now, and click on that. You will want to use email and password, as the Air Force portal login doesn't support CAC authentication at the moment, and with email and password you'll be able to log in with your personal smartphone. Once in here, you're going to want to put in your DoD email address, and for your username you can really pick whatever you want, just have personal taste and don't be graphic. The best way to be identifying of yourself would be first name, last name. And for your password, it must be 12 characters in length or longer and contain one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one number, and one special character. After that, you will hit create account. I've already created an account, so mine cannot be created again. But once you do this, it'll say that it's sending you an email. You will then get an email that looks just like this. And you'll have a hyperlink here to click on to verify your email address. If you just click on it, it might open up in Internet Explorer if that's set as your default, and it will not work. So what I recommend is to highlight the hyperlink, right click, and then copy hyperlink. And then you will switch back over to Google Chrome and paste it into the address bar here. Once this pops up for you, you will get a barcode that looks just like this. And this is where your Google Authenticator app comes in. You will then open it on your smartphone, and it will be different, either iPhone or Android, but it'll either say begin setup or scan barcode. You'll click on either one that you see there. And once you have that up, you will see a scanner that looks like just like this. And you just aim it right there, and it auto populates with your code that is specific just for Mattermost. Once you have that code, you will then go back to the Mattermost website, and you will log in with the email and password that you created. Then it will ask you for your token, which is going to be the PIN that goes on your Google Authenticator, specifically for your Mattermost account. Your PIN resets once every 30 seconds, so make sure you type it in semi-quickly, or at least wait until it refreshes to the next one. Once you log in here, you'll have these teams that you can join. If you're not a part of these specific teams, I recommend not joining them right off the bat and just going to this welcome page. Once in here, you can find a lot of information of what's happening with Mattermost, if they're having new updates or anything. In the pinned posts, you will find a lot of important information along with lists of which teams have already been created and who the owner is to contact them if you would like to join their team. But once an email address for it, you will take the link and copy that into Google Chrome. And this is how you will join another team that isn't public. Now I'm a part of my squadron's team as well, and you can switch between each team on the left-hand side here. This is the main setup for your account computer-wise. A couple other extra things are in the private channels. You can create a private group channel, which there you are allowed to talk about FOUO, PII, and HIPAA information. And also one other cool thing is in either the town square public channels or in one of your private channels, if you want other users to get a notification of your message, all you have to do is type @ and then you either @ directly them, or you can type @channel, and that'll do everyone in this channel, or you can also do at all, and that will be everyone on the team. So that is all for the computer setup, and the next video will be smartphone setup.